everyone, how are you? Today's topic is timelines on ostrich bird in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Now let's see. An ostrich is a big bird. It is black and brown in colors. It has two species, common ostrich and Somali ostrich. It has two eyes, two ears, two long legs, a nose, long neck, claws, wings, beak and tail. The egg of an ostrich bird is big in size. They make sounds like chirping, growling, hissing, screaming, etc. They dig the ground and make nests in it. They eat plants, leaves, herbs, seeds, grasshoppers, small animals, birds, etc. The baby ostrich is called a chick. The lifespan of an ostrich bird is about 30 to 40 years. Thanks for watching.